Hi everyone, my name is Lacan Umali from the Department of English Comparative Literature, and I invite the entire UP community to participate in the sit-down protest on November 28th, this Friday. Dose-dosena yung aresto noong Bahas Luneta noong September 21, libo-libo, milyon-milyones sa ating mga kapwa-Pilipino ang didudusa ngayon sa kapalpakan ng gobyerno, habang yung mga sangkot sa flood control projects at sa lahat ng kabalastugan ng gobyerno, malaya pa rin. Sit-down protests and teach-ins are very important in the history of UP Diliman because these show the progressive, militant nature of the university. Importante mag-aral ng kasaysayan, pero importante din na gumawa ng kasaysayan. If you feel helpless, if you feel you can't do anything, you can participate in mass mobilizations to raise our voices and actually hold accountability against this corrupt, venal government. You know, we can raise our voices against impunity, against corruption, and against the utter vulgarity of the Marcos Duterte government. Lahat ng sangkot dapat managot. Okay, I'll see you on November 28th.